Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this basic, so simple beanie but different decorated on it. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple. Start from the top, increase and only using double crochets and popcorns. Wish you will be happy new year and I hope we will be getting more bigger and bigger big family. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple New Year beanie. Let's start to crochet. I use in my beanie middle thickness yarns. You can see that its size is 3, both of them. I use main part 5mm hook, main part 6mm hook, brim part 5mm hook. You can choose your yarn which you want. We start our beanie with magic ring. Make a circle like that, grab my yarn, 1, 2, 3 chains. Count as my first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the same hole and make here totally 20 double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the same, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert here, pull through 2, pull through 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. I made totally 16 double crochet and pull that yarn tightly, close my top. Then come to first chain 3 stop and join 2 sides together with slip stitch. Take these 2 yarns together, grab them together and lock this hole. Now we are on the second round and we will make 2 double crochet in every each stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, count as my first double, then insert into the same stitch and make 1 more. At the end of this round I will have totally 32 double crochet. 3, 4 together. Next stitch make 2 double crochet. Next stitch 2. I will make 2 double crochet in every each stitch. At the end of I will have 32. I complete and turn to. I complete my totally 32 double crochet and I want to change my hook because 5 comes to so tight. I want to make my beanie more softer, so I will take 6mm hook. I will make brim part with 5mm. Okay. Insert into the first chain 3 stop and join 2 sides together with slip stitch. Now we are on the third round and we will make 1 stitch 1 double crochet, next stitch 2 double, 1 double, 2 double. Let's show you. 1, 2, 3 chains, count as my first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next and make here 2 double, 1 and 2. Yarn over, insert into the next, make 1. Yarn over, insert into the next, make 2 double. Next stitch 1, next stitch 2. At the end of this third round I will have 48 double crochet. I complete 1 double, 2 double, 1 double, 2 double. Complete and turn to. We complete the third round. Comes to first stitch, stop and join with a slip stitch. On the fourth round we will make 1 double crochet in every each stitch and keep the 48 number of 48. 1, next one, 2, next one, 3, 4, 5. I will make 1 double crochet in every each stitch and turn to you. I complete 4th round. I have 48 stitches. Insert the top of the first one and join with a slip stitch. Now we will make increases. This time chain 3 and count as my first double, yarn over, insert into the next double, make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert into the 3rd double and make 2 double crochet. Next one, 1, next one, 1, the 3rd one, 2. The first stitch 1, second stitch 1 double crochet, the 3rd stitch 2 double crochet. 1 double, 1 double, 2 double, 1 double, 1 double, 2 double. At the end of the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, 5th round, you will have 60 double crochet. I complete and turn to you. So sorry, at the end of the 5th round, you will have 64 double crochet. Okay. Insert into the first stitch, join with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, count as my first double. On the 6th round, as same as the 4th round, we will make a double crochet in every each stitch. Okay. Make 1 double in every each stitch and keep the number of 64. I finish this 6th round, make my 64 double after turn to you. I complete the 6th round and I have again 64 double crochet and its centimeter is nearly 20 and nearly 8 inches. It's enough for an adult. After that, I will crochet every stitch 1 double crochet. I will crochet like that, turn all around with 1 double crochet in every each stitch. I crocheted and after turn to you how much centimeter and how many rounds I crocheted, I will tell you. I complete and turn to you. I crocheted totally 9 rounds more after my last increasing. Okay, and its centimeter I want to give you. From top to end, it's 7.5 inches and it's nearly 19 centimeter. Now I start to make my brim part. I change my hook. You know, I crochet the main body with 6 millimeter. I will change and take my 5 millimeter hook for brim part. I use for brim part brown color. First of all, make a slip knot, then insert I will take in this loop and make tied it, chain 1 and lock it, not count that, yarn over, insert my hook bottom of that double crochet, grab my yarn, pull through to make front post, yarn over, insert into the next, grab my, insert into the next, back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through to, make back post double crochet, yarn over, next one, front post double crochet, next one, back post double crochet, 1 front post, 1 back post. I will crochet this round like that. Complete and turn to you. I complete my first round, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and not count, take the chain 1 and the front post together and make front post onto the front post. then make back post on the back post, make front post on the front post. I will keep repeat 2 or 3 times, I don't know. I will complete, make front post on front post, make back post on back post, and complete my brim part. After turn to you and we will make some little touches. I complete and turn to you. I crochet totally 4 rounds with my 1 front post, 1 back post, my rib part, total 4 rows. Now I will take my metallic yarn and take my 5mm hook again. First of all, make a slip knot, then find our starting chain here. Insert my hook like that as front post and make here single crochet. Then I want to make loops and turn all around my beanie like Christmas tree. Hold it and insert into the next posts and make like that. Stitches. Insert next one. I complete these loops. After make these popcorns and I want to show you how did I. First of all, make a slip knot, then insert your hook in that loop, grab your yarn and join with single crochet, 1 and 2 chains more, count as first double, insert into the same stitch and make here 5 more double crochet, 3, 4 and 5. Lose your loop, insert into the first chain and join with slip stitch, chain 1 and lock, insert into the same stitch and make 1 more slip stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn a little long, then take them inside both these 2 loops here and tie them. You can do that beanie easily. It's so basic beanie, only different decorated on it. I hope you like it and I wish you will happy new year. Thanks for your time and support. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook and on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos and new year. Have a nice day. Bye bye.